innovation may be the major, maybe even the only true response to the question of how we can maintain and develop the welfare state.
But if we look at social innovations, you need, of course, to have a certain amount of people, a certain critical mass of people. And since, well, Europe is a continent which is highly urbanized, most people live in cities, social innovation is by definition relevant for urban regions, urban areas.
You have SEiSMiC and you have social innovation to bridge the gap between, on the one hand, academic thinking and urban research, and on the other hand, the needs of urban policy and society in general.
Social innovation is about how to mobilize new energy and new forces in the society in the light of how we are developing the welfare society in our future. I think that social innovation indeed is to create an environment and to increase life quality for people, and that may have a strong impact on production and competitiveness, and also the ability to be innovative in many other contexts as well. For instance, a rich and diversified cultural life is an economic driver in itself. It can strengthen social relations, and it can certainly attract people who might be very important in business as well. So you may tell me what is social and what is business. I think you cannot make these distinctions. And that is maybe the most important. Social innovation is creating or contributing to added value also from an economic point of view.
The core of social innovation means that cities or stakeholders in cities are learning from each other, but it's also very strongly for civil society. It's a new way of engaging citizens. The wisdom is very much with the people as well that are living in the cities. They know things we do not know. It's not that one party knows everything, but just a mix of everything. That's the wisdom of the crowd. So I think this enables solutions that you cannot think from when you're just behind your desk. You have to go outside and talk to people.
You know, you absolutely need social innovation. You have to deal with the rapidity and the unpredictability of change, actually, and the complexity. I ought to add that of our urban fabric, but also the complexity of change, because that unpredictability and rapidity, that change is taking place against the background of an ever-increasing complex urban environment.
Governmental arrangements in society are changing, that citizens become more involved, and that we need to respond to, in a new way, to these social challenges. And I think this is the key aspect of what is social innovation all about. We talk a lot about citizen participation, but SEiSMiC is one of those projects that takes citizen participation very seriously, and in that respect I think it needs all our support.